Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll teach you all about desktop publishing and layouts using Adobe InDesign, and this is basically a beginner to advanced course right here on this channel. I will walk you through creating a design, adding pages, creating columns, typography, interactions, and how these things work in InDesign. And throughout this course, if you have any questions, you can simply comment down below or send me an email. I will create a playlist for the ease of access and create videos on this course in a weekly basis, and then eventually by looking at my videos and practicing with real-world examples you'll become a pro in Adobe InDesign. So let's not waste time and dive into the introductions, but before that, I would like you to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share the video with others who really want to learn about desktop publishing and layouts for free right here on YouTube. So what is Adobe InDesign? For what do we use it and why do we use it? Basically, Adobe InDesign is a desktop publishing and page layout designing software application produced by Adobe Inc. It can be used to create works such as posters, flyers, brochures, magazines, newspapers, presentations, books, and ebooks. InDesign can also publish content suitable for tablet devices in conjunction with Adobe Digital Publishing Suite. Why do we use InDesign? We use it because it is a great program that mostly doesn't have real competitors. Their competitors are Microsoft Word, QuarkXPress, Microsoft Publisher, etc. Microsoft Word and Publisher are entry-level desktop publishers and designers, while Adobe InDesign is an advanced program. To make it more quick and straight, when Microsoft Word finishes, and that's where InDesign starts. Then what about Adobe PageMaker? PageMaker is another similar one, but it is a huge and old program that is basically used to create designs similar to Adobe InDesign. But the problem is that new features were late to come, and then competitors rose, eventually causing it to be discontinued. PageMaker was used about 2 decades ago and is no longer being used, thanks to InDesign, which is a more reliable program. Okay, so that's the end of the video, and hopefully, you've got a clear understanding of what is desktop publishing with Adobe InDesign.